Good luck. Looking at these tones, many of these words you already know. Let me grab a pencil here. Caw is rising, comes down and then goes up. Caw. And that's a aw sound, not a core, right? Aw. High, falling. Choke. And then D. Choke is falling. So caw is rising. High is falling. Choke is falling. And then D is flat tone, your normal voice. Okay? Caw high, choke D. Let me get rid of these markings and we will move on.
ขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดี
Thank you, Kun Bla.
ขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดี
Called Kun Kop Kun Daisy. Caw Hi Chok Di. Let's look at these word for word, shall we? Caw means to ask or to request. Caw. If I wanted to ask for water, water being nam, high tone, I'd say Caw nam dai mai. Caw to request. In this case, we're requesting that you have good luck. Hi, caw hi is I request to give. Hi is to give or to let have. So here we go. Caw hi is to ask, to request, or to beg. I'm asking you if I can give you something. Caw hi. Caw hi chog luck. Chog luck. D flat tone, right? And of course you remember D meaning good. So caw hi chog D means caw hi chog D means I ask to offer you good luck. Or you can also say to somebody, hey, chog D when they're leaving. You say as a goodbye, you can give them good luck. But you can also caw hi chog D or chog D. Either is absolutely fine.
ขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดี
ขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดีขอให้โชคดี
And of course, you're going to want to end that sentence with a krap or a ka, depending upon your sex. All right, very nice. Repeat after me. Caw hi chog di. Caw hi chog di. Caw hi chog di. Okay. Now let's do it once with either krap or ka on the end, okay? Caw hi chog di krap. Now, let's just say chog di, chog di, chog di. Repeat after me. Chog di kap, chog di kap. They'll use that a lot. It's real informal. Friends use it. Thai are big on luck, so good luck. Chog di. Onward.